Hello guys, so today I will show how to create this kind of effect, the laser beam effect. The laser goes hit this wall and some cracking. This is very basic thing, so I will show to you how to create this kind of effect, the laser hit. Yes, so this is my file, this is my test file. I just testing. Don't worry, there's some messy kind of node graph. Don't worry, I will show how to do that from scratch. So at first we need some wall kind of model, or you can create a wall. So don't take one geometry, this is wall fix, and I have a wall, so this is, I just previously create this wall and I save it as a OTL or HDA. You can create this wall from your side. You can take a one box and you can create this kind of this is the two boxes. If you go to inside, nothing fancy, I just create one box and just make it this kind of thing. Well, this is the three layer, this is the one, this is the front, back, and this is one layer. Okay, so you can create from your own side. Okay, so this is my wall, and so for this, the laser shoot from this side or this side, you can choose where from this laser came from. So first I just create one launcher for the source thing, the particle thing. So I take a one sphere. Okay, and this is the sphere. So okay, this little bit going up. So this is my launcher, and this is our wall. So it's launcher. Okay, so the laser came from this side. Okay, so I create one draw curve, and I curve I draw in this wall. Okay, so just null, I just blast this thing, this one layer. Okay, so you have the wall, this is the one layer. I just blast this thing and make a draw curve. Projection should be the geometry. Okay, and draw curve, you just here and make it one curve like the okay, so this is the curve, and this is the point and this enter, so you can draw this curve, and I create a velocity. So at first I make one curve, what we call curve. Okay, so the extract point, so here is this thing. Okay, it's by default 0 and in 1 minutes vanish. Okay, so in first frame I'm going here and make a key, alt plus left click, and frame 55 it's keep 1, and here you can extract. So I need the point. Okay, so I get a point. Okay, so this is my wall, you can see, and this is for animation. Okay, when I transfer this velocity to here. Okay, so I take one at a triangle node and the first input here and the second input is here. Okay, and v at v equal to point. So I need the velocity from here. This point is from this thing 0. Okay, so point is transfer to so point 0 at p, and 1. Okay, and that's that position. So sorry, so this input is here and is here, and it's to 1 and 0. Okay, now yeah, so I get this velocity. Okay, so I just need 1 point. Okay, so this is my wall. If you want to check, this is my wall. To background to dark. Okay, so this is my wall, this is the velocity. Okay, take a add node and I just can primitive. Okay, so this is my velocity. Okay, take one drop network, take a op network, turn off this guide, all point. You see the velocity going this direction. Okay, so here I just do okay, 2 1, 3.5, 0.2. Okay. And this is my, okay, so it's, I think I need some more velocity, 3. So I think it's crossing, clamp it to 100. Okay. And create a DOP, import field, sorry, DOP import fields, pop network, drag and drop, and the name pop object, and choose, sorry, particle. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, so I need a trails of, okay, and add and polygon by group, by attribute, I think it's ID. So get this laser kind of thing. Okay, you can increase from here. Okay, so this is my laser. Shift S for this thing, the curve thing for node connection, and this is null to null, and this is my collision. Okay, so this laser hit this wall. Okay, so output collision, this part done. This is for the launcher, or you can create this thing. Take a relevant feature, launcher, stick size medium, right click, hide background, press C, and drag and drop this color which you want, and just minimize this thing. So this is my launcher. Okay, so you can modify this thing. And now I need the destruction. So going for destruction part, I need also this wall. Okay, so I just copy this thing. Okay, the particle went from this direction. Okay, so can do so doing some scatter thing at first. I take a PDB from polygon now, and thing, and to fog VDB. Scatter getting point, turn off this relax point and place the point, and take a one Voronoi factor. The Voronoi factor, this is the two input. The first input, the you can, if you the mouse cursor near to this point, this is geometry 2 factor. So which geometry you need to factor? You need this geometry, the wall, and this is the for point, cell point. Okay. So if I go, yeah, you can see if you W, so you can see this, the thing, the factor thing. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so you can control from here. If you want to increase the fracture thing, you increase the scatter point, and you also has the seed thing, you want to change. Okay, now you take one 200 and VDB, which node, call RBD material factor. It's taking time. Here is the count. You can see this thing. It's taking while. Yeah, so after RBD material effect, you can see this tiny pieces. This is looking nice. So if you want to reduce this thing, you can decrease this ratio, the factor ratio. If you into 0.25 is getting less time. Okay, and you can see this thing. Yeah, you can see the fracture point are less. Okay, because of this thing, the fracture ratio have decreased. Okay, so according to your machine, you can play with this value. Okay, so now I need 0.5 should be okay for me. Yeah, it's done for me, and need to cache this thing. Okay, take a file cache node, and this is for static fracture. This thing, and you just need only single frame, just single frame, and turn off this time dependency node. Okay, and save to disk. Okay, so it's done. If this on time dependency, and if you want to cache, it's just cache the first frame. Okay, so always if you want to single frame cache, just turn off this time dependency and cache this thing. Okay, and if I check the explode view, yeah, it's cool. Okay, this is for checking how our piece is. Okay, you can enable the chipping if you want. In RBD material fixture, the chipping things you can get detail in these edges. Okay, this take time. So create a take assemble node for creating the name attribute. Yeah, name attribute. For constant thing I need a constraint pieces from constraint which call the constant RBD the connect adjust pieces. Yeah, this thing for the constant. So I need from the surface point, yes, this thing. And create a attribute wrangle node and name, and it should be primitive. Okay, so this point get from primitive surface point. Okay, view type is constraint str and constraint name glue constraint. Okay, and copy this thing, constraint name, constraint type, all. Okay. Make sure this should be primitive, not point. Okay, null this is for constant. Out st constant. Okay. And create one assemble node again, and now I just create a pack primitive, not needed the name attribute and this thing. So now this is the polygon 14,357, and if you check here, the lot more 1,59,000. And take one null node, create out RBD object. One DOP network, call it RBD C red. For the color palette you just type C. Okay, and RBD here I just take one is called RBD pack object is okay, bullet solver, and gravity, ground plane, and merge. Let's merge this thing, this, done. For the everything here there is the shop path, need the shop path. Yeah, so this is my out RBD object. I just connect this to here and I choose to the first context geometry. Okay, so I get in this geometry. Okay, I just play and turn off this. Here is something thing. Okay, it's falling down. Says fall down totally. Okay, so I do not need this kind of thing. I just need this bottom area. I do not need the falling thing. Okay, so I only this area need to the active and this bottom area is inactive. So how can do this? So you can go here and you can create a group node. At first you can click attribute triangle node and choose in active equal to 1. Active 1 means everything is active, that's why it's falling down. Okay, so I need the bottom area is need to the static. So I create one group node, turn off this and enable bounding box, and here close here. Okay, this bottom area need to be inactive. Okay, yes, and group call inactive static. You got static, and just copy this triangle, paste it here, and call this group static group, and this static group should be 0. 0 means not anything happening in this bottom area. If I go here and just click, as you see the bottom area is inactive and the upper area is active. Okay, so I need one collision. I just reduce this thing first. For the first thing I just reduce this thing and 2. Okay, so I can add one sphere node, and this is my, I just copy this sphere, one transform node, So this is for collision. This was just testing, okay. Test collision. Let's see. Okay, static object. Go on merge. And copy this, Control C, paste it here, and check use deform geometry and use object transfer. Okay, so this is happening, but it's already fall down. Okay, so you do not need this thing. Okay, so what I can do, so we make a constant now. So this thing, I take a constant network, sorry, okay, constant network, and we need the constant network, we need the file path also. So this is a constant, out constant. I just import this into second input. Okay, sorry, this is the third, second input. You can copy this path also if you don't want to connect this thing. This is the second input, and need the constant create. I need a glue constant. I create a glue constant. No? That's why I need a glue constant relationship. And here you can name this name. Okay, this glue, same name you can copy. The same spelling should be match. Okay, this name. Can paste it here. Okay, I can constant name is missing. I glue constant. Constraint, Control C. For a second, should be spelling should be correct. Constraint name, constant type. Okay, if you go inside, so guys, here is the naming issue. You just type the spelling correct, the constant name glue, 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 and this order, it should be primitive. Okay, that's why it's not showing. Okay, and you can connect this thing and the second context geometry. So if you type wireframe, you can this thing, the red thing, this means constant is working. Okay, so if you this thing, yeah, you can turn off this red thing, go to constraint, guide geometry, and if the constant is too much, if you decrease this thing, if you 15, the constant is less, you can see the less constant. Okay, if I make a 1000, it's too hard. Let's see. Okay, 1000. Too hard. Okay, so 500 should be okay. So this is the now constant it's working. Okay, so for the collision this thing I need the instance of this ball I just use this laser. Okay, this thing. So what can I do? I just control C this and go inside and just paste it here. Okay, so I can get this thing. You see, yeah, it's nice, na? If you can decrease the constraint stream 100. Okay. So you can do this thing. Okay. The multiple laser. Okay. Yes, nice, no? So I need when the laser is detect the laser is dying. Okay, so what can I do for this thing? I just go here, the pop network. I click on pop collision detect node, and this is my wall. Control C this front area. Okay, Control C this thing and go here and just paste this thing, and the behavior should be die or stop. Okay, okay, so this thing, yeah, we'll check here. It's not going. Okay, and I should check here the RBD. I'm going to merge this thing, this and this thing. And from here I just my die and increase this velocity to 5 and going to here I just 50. No, it's not happening because just to 1.25. Should be stop. Okay, go here. can just increase the this here, increase the one. Okay, and can just turn off these ones, and going here. Now you can see the magic. Why? So guys, here are some changes in particle section. You just we need to only 4 frame after and before the particle emission. Okay, and pop collision detect you can just stop. Okay, so here you just type $F4, so it's particle emitting after 4 frame. Okay, and get hit after 4 frame. Okay, and then it just life expense is 1, and you can press 2 also what you want, and that's it. And go to here and you can check. Yeah, it's cool now. It's laser going and hitting this thing. So here is the constraint thing. You can, if you want to more hard constraint, you need to here. Okay, this thing you can create multiple curve here. Okay, so I create multiple curve. Yeah, you can, if you want to can create another curve like this. Okay, and yes, here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so you need to this curve, and you can go here. Okay, I just zoom. Okay, this is nice. Tuck. Okay, let's save this file. Yeah, it's nice now. Yes, so as here is some playbook render. I just some defined curves and make it this kind of effect. Okay, so you can easily create your own effects with these techniques. Okay, so after that you can create a drop import field. Drop import, and drop import, just drag and drop this, or you can copy this thing and go here. I just copy this name and paste it here, and should be from the point thing. Okay, so it's very less. Okay, it's not too much here, and you can just get transform pieces, transform pieces, and this is my object, RBD object, and this is geometry. Okay, and this is for the template file. Okay, and you can merge this thing. Now you can cache this out, file cache. After caching, you can transform this thing. Okay, this, if I cache with the point cloud, it's very less memory, and after that you can make a transform pieces also from here. Need to name attribute. Okay, make sure here is the name attribute, and here also this is the name attribute. That's why it's matching. Okay, this is name attribute. Okay guys, thanks for watching this tutorial.